Okay, Max hasn't been here. Oh, what, for a year, Max? Been a year since you've been here? So when he was here last, I taught him if he went and got his bowl, he would get chicken. And Margot tells me she hasn't done that with him. So we're going to see how good his memory is. Okay, Max, you want some chicken? You want some chicken? Some chicken? You have to go get your bowl. Get your bowl. Bring it here. Excellent. Good boy. No, it has to be this way. Excellent. Good job. There's your chicken. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, one another piece of chicken? One another piece of chicken? Okay. You want another piece of chicken? Get your bowl. Get your bowl. Excellent. Excellent. Good job. There's your chicken. That's very nice. Okay, one more piece of chicken. One another piece of chicken. All right. Just a minute. Get your bowl. Get it. Excellent. Good job, Maxie. Here's your chicken.